Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all of the Maniology things that have come into my life via Mani ME boxes, purchases, and whatever that have not gotten used. While I was doing this treatment on my nails, I kind of got like sidetracked because I couldn't wear any nail polish or art decorations or anything really on my natural nails. So I kind of like slipped way behind. I was just in another foggy world. So, I don't really see this as like an unboxing per se. I'm just going to show you what I got and that I have not used yet. Okay, so we've got the honey pot. I believe that came from the one of the poo boxes. And then I also have high voltage, just regular nail polish, and then we got stamping polishes, Hail Santa, and then we've got Winnie, and then I believe those came with this plate, one of these plates. This is M321. I really love it. I am really going to have to get serious about doing some Winnie the Pooh nails. And then the other one is M320. No, these are not from a Mani ME box. These are ones I bought because these have just the M on them. That's how you can tell. So these were just straight up bought. Beautiful plates. And then I also got the plates, if I can find them. Nope. I'm gonna have to dig deep, y'all. I don't know where I put them. Hang on just a second. All right, I found them. Yay! So these are the ones that came in the Mani ME box. This is MXM090. Such cute images on this plate. And then the other one from that box is MXM089. And I just love these. I love these. I was a huge Winnie the Pooh fan. Love, love, love Winnie the Pooh stuff. So I've got 4 Winnie the Pooh plates and polishes that need to get used from that box. And then that box came with the, the apron with the pockets and stuff. So I'm going to hang this up in my room, and if I ever get real crazy, then we can express ourselves and get dirty. So we've got that. And then I think next came this box, which I still haven't used either. And this was like the circus theme box. And put them in order. We've got Maniology MXM093. I really like that they gave you dots and stripes and things that could be used. I love this unicorn carousel looking image. You got stars and stripes and balloons and the big top and then a lot of these like other images on MXM094. Aren't those cute? I love them. That's just magical. The circus was magical when we were kids. So they came with the cards, of course, and I don't save those, so I didn't have the one from the Winnie the Pooh, but this came with Candy Apple. Whoa, can't wait to play with that. And this beautiful blue ribbon. How nice. And then this month's box just popped up today. And I don't remember what the special one was. Well, maybe it'll tell right here. Oh. Okay, the apron came with this one. And so I'm thinking the honey pot thing came with that one. Maybe. I don't know. But this month's free little goodie in the Maniology box, the subscription box, was this like keychain with the metal file. And I won't use the metal file. I would use this to kind of clean out from under my fingernails, but I'd probably be more likely to, just use it as a knife to cut things open. If I'm being honest, you know what I'm saying. I personally don't like metal files. My favorite's the glass nail files. So we've got our stamping plates. Let's get them out. So we've got Maniology MXM097. And I really like this. I like this plate. I like the different hearts, different stuff. The little rose flowers, some little hearts. I really like that. Like a patchwork. Both of those are kind of patchworky. I like this one. I really can't wait to play with that. And then the next one in this box is MXM098. You've got these like runners that you could run across a French tip or down your nail vertically. And it's got some really cool hearts in the center that you could use. Like single images. And then some full nail images there too. Little cherries and hearts. And love it, love it. How many times can you say hearts, Tina? Alright, so the polishes in this box are pumps. Beautiful pink. And then this, ooh, it's like silvery gray. And this is spikes. Real pretty. Got a lot of shimmer in that. It's like gray with a killer shimmer. So that is my Maniology hoarding that I've been hoarding all this time. And look at all these plates and polishes that need love. So hang with me and we're going to get through these. I'm going to start playing with them. They're going in my Use It Now box. So if there's anything specific you want to see, let me know down in the comments. If not, I'm just going to grab whatever just jumps out at me. And that is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll be seeing you in the next one. And until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.